Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome to my beauty space. My name is Pam, and for today's video we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Something that I've been wanting to do for a while, but I knew it was going to be a little bit of a longer video, or I think it would be, I don't know. We have to kind of get down to it, but it's me mixing all of the foundations I'm using, all of my primers, concealers, and highlights. So yeah, so to start off, and don't mind the bruising on my face, I actually did get Bella Fill like I told you guys I was going to be getting on the side of my face, and it's still bruised. I got it done. Today is Sunday. I got it done I think Tuesday, so it's gonna be bruised for a little bit. But anyway, to start off, the first things we're going to be mixing together is going to be all my primers. So I have a little dish here, just like a dollar store dish. So these are the primers that I have. The Pore Fessional by Benefit, the Smashbox Photo Finish. I have the MAC Prep and Prime, and that is in Natural Radiance. In Transit Camera Close-Up, I've used the Ren Global Protection Day Cream. Looks like that. My current favorite, the No Poreblem Primer, and this is by Touch and Soul. So I'm going to be mixing all these suckers together right now. So it's going to be interesting. So I'm just going to put like this much amount. Literally like a pea size. If that, just that kind of. And that was the top of that. So yeah, it's like a little spatula and it looks like this. This is what we're cooking up today. So then after all of that's mixed up, it looks like this. So yeah, I'm definitely going to try to record a video on my Bella Fill experience. Honestly, not until I turned on all these lights that I realized that that was all bruised up. But if you don't know what Bella Fill is, it's a filler that a lot of people with acne scarring get on their face. It's actually FDA approved. So yeah, I did film some of it. We went live on Instagram, so I want to try to put all those videos together and like put one on YouTube for you guys. So mixed together, all those primers smell so weird. Ugh. So next, I'm gonna mix all of my illuminators that I use, and I'm gonna put that right under also, like I've done before. So I'm mixing together the NYX Born to Glow. Usually these are two shades I use. Sun Goddess is one, and the other is Gleam. My stroke cream from MAC. I've used this a couple times. I have put a couple of drops into my foundation before, so that's going in there too. So this is Attempt to Bronzer Warm Up Glow. Spatula. I'm definitely getting a pimple right on my nose. Like, why that? Worst place ever. So it looks like a weird little concoction here. So I'm just gonna apply that here. Just pick up my foundation brush and get that illuminating light on. Foundation time. So I have the Elcie Micro Sleek Foundation. Fenty Pro Filter. And this is in the shade 300. Next we're getting into MAC NC42 Prolong Wear Foundation. This is NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in the shade Caramel. I'm scared because some of these foundations I only use in the summer. Drop foundation in Golden. Smashbox Studio Skin, and that is in 4.0. And last, NC30 from MAC Prolong Wear. Oh my god. This looks so crazy. My foundation brush, and I'm going to start applying. Okay, so this is how it came out. It looks a little bit on the yellow side when all of these foundations are mixed together. But I can't say I hate it, actually. So the concealers we're going to be mixing together are my regulars. And this is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. Love these. So this is in the shade Medium 30 and Golden 40. Tarte Shape Tape in Tan and in Medium. And then I have my OG MAC Prolong Wear Concealer, and this is in the shade NC40. LA Girl Pro Concealer High Definition Concealer, and that is in the shade Creamy Beige. It's a mess up here, you guys. I have all these products. So that's that. Don't worry. With the next round, we're definitely going to have to pick up a different dish. It's that time. It's thick. And I'm just putting concealer everywhere that I would normally put concealer. I also like to clean up my eyebrows. Okay, so yeah, I feel like it looks patchy, the mix of these conceal. That might be the culprit. Next, I have boom boom. Who else is obsessed with Law and Order? I love Law and Order. Like, if you know me, you know I love Law and Order. Anyway, so next we're gonna be mixing all of my setting powders. So we're gonna start off with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Looks like this. I have another spatula here, so I'm gonna use that. And we're gonna be putting it in here. So, NYX Mineralized. And I don't know why, but I use this in light. Up, I have two of the Laura Mercier setting powder in Universal and in Translucent. And I'm just gonna pick some up from here. Don't want to put too much, but more or less. Ben Nye Banana Powder. So I'm gonna pick some of this up. The Patrick Star and MAC Patrick's Powder. Those two. So now I'm mixing all of these up. This is what it looks like. Definitely not doing this to go out. Okay, I'm gonna go do my eyes off camera and then I'll be back so we can finish up with I think we're gonna be doing highlighter, blush, and that's it. So I'll be back. Okay guys, so I already did my eyes. I just did something really simple. I used the Tartelette in the Bloom palette. One of my favorite, my go-tos. And I applied Huda Beauty lashes in Camille number 16. So what we're gonna do, since blushes are already compact, I'm just gonna use the little thing to kind of shave off a little bit of that color, and then we're gonna mix them together. Or blush in Spice. I don't know how I always manage to break my freaking blushes. It's so annoying. Okay. So next we're using MAC's Whole Lotta Love blush. It's wrong that I feel like kind of bad going into my blush this way. Sorry. Okay, I gotta apologize to my products as I'm abusing them. Next I'm picking up one of my favorites, Blushing Bride from Tarte. And this looks like that. Bella Pierre Cosmetics Mineral Blush in Desert Rose. It's really pretty. It looks like this. Makeup Forever's number 75 blush. And that is pink. It looks like this. So. And it's like an orangey. It's one of my favorites called Too Hot. Think that in there. Now we're gonna take all of these and I'm just gonna mix them up. A blush brush, and hopefully I don't look too pink. Tap off the extra. Ooh, it's not that bad. This is what I was hoping for, like pinky purpley. I mean pinky orangey kind of. See? I think this is going to be the most painful part for me because I love my highlights. So yeah, now we're mixing together some highlights. So first I have the Wet n Wild Gold Bar. And this is Ballerina. And that's from Laura Geller. Albatross. Picking up Soft and Gentle from MAC. It looks like this. I have the Gilded Honey. The Wet n Wild's Precious Petals. Next from Artist Couture, picking up Gold Digger. Couture, I'm picking up Conceited. She looks like this. Now, it's gonna hurt a little bit, but my Amrezy Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter. It's so pretty. She's so gorgeous. So, I'm gonna dig in though. Oh, it's kind of painful. It's kind of painful. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it's painful. Please, child. I need a coffee break because that hurt. Shit, that stressed me out. Next, I'm picking up Jeffree Star's King Tut. It's gonna hurt, guys. Oh my god, why does this hurt me so much? Okay, next I'm picking up Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. And she looks like that. And I'm taking her and I'm shaving her off. Oh shit, that hurt. That hurt so bad. Okay, the hard part is over. Now I get to take all of these highlighters and mix them up. And that was probably almost as bad as childbirth. Not that I know what childbirth feels like, but I can only imagine. I hate ruining my product. I mean, like, fine if I break it and I'm like, oh, over it. But like purposely ruining them, shit's kind of painful. So painful. Alright. But we're doing it all for the video, right? Let's see what that looks like. Ooh. Oh my god. You know, because of that Artist Couture, it has more of like that glittery kind of look. Because it has all like the good properties from each highlight that I like. Okay. So, this is my completed look on all the shit I have mixed together. Now, these are my setting sprays that I use, so I figure why not just do one spritz of each one of these to keep the theme going, you know? So first, my least favorite, this Late All Day setting spray in Jasmine. I'm just not crazy about the scent of this, so I can't believe that happened. Okay, whatever. Anyway, so we have 3 sprays now that we're gonna try. I'm gonna make sure. Anyway, we're gonna be using the UD Onliner makeup spray first. So 1 spray of you. This Late All Day in Coconut. I did 2 of that one since it's so small. And then my Fix Plus in Rose. Ooh, so nice. I actually like those together. So yeah, that is my video. If there's anything else fun like this that you guys would like me to try, you let me know. Let me know, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And yeah, love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.